Hey there, my name is Dessy and I'm the founder of Fashion Insiders & Co., an online platform supporting fashion entrepreneurs and brands to launch, grow and scale their fashion businesses. In today's video, we're talking about sales, how to bring more cash into your business. I will show you 5 different ideas, new ideas that not many other brands are doing that will help you bring more money into your brand, that would help you sell more products. But before I go on, click on the little button below and subscribe to our channels. And if you click on the little bell, you'll get notifications every week when we add new videos. So, idea number 1, that is personally my favorite, and it's really easy to execute, is home parties. Now, back in the 80s and 90s, fashion brands, before internet started, fashion brands used to organize by themselves or with really good customers many home parties when they used to sell end of line, they used to sell samples or just, have like mini sales. In today's day and age, I just don't think that we are utilizing enough home parties. And every brand can really do that. It can be organized by a friend, it can be organized by yourselves, the designers, it can be organized by really good customers who love your brand. And all they have to do really is organize a party for their friends and friends of friends, and you deliver your products. Perhaps you invest in some drinks and nibbles, and in the comfort of someone's home, people can try your products, whether it's clothes or jewelry or accessories or beauty, but they can try the products and buy them. And you as the brand CEO, as the brand designer, can come to an agreement with the host that you either give them perhaps a small percentage of the takings of the day, or you gift them something. It could be a garment, it could be something else. So it's rather flexible, but as you can see, it's such a low barrier to organizing it and to executing it. So anyone can do it, and it gets you cash on the night. It's instant payout. So I hope you can make a list of various people, friends of friends, family, that you can approach and perhaps can host something for you in time for Christmas, in times for any other occasions like Mother's Day, holiday sales. Really, you can regularly host events like this without much effort, and have a constant little injections of cash into your business. Now, idea number 2 is taking part in street markets. Now, I appreciate that perhaps it's not right for every brand. Perhaps if you're a luxury brand, you don't want to be seen at a street market. But if you're an accessories, beauty, jewelry, clothing brand that is middle of the market or lower price point, if you're an independent small brand, why not take part in street markets? Not all street markets, we often think of street markets as something really kind of messy, but not all of them are messy. They don't have to be messy, and you can easily take a stall for the day, or you can actually make an arrangement where you regularly take part in a market, and you can again sell old stock, you can sell samples, you can test new ideas and new products. And the advantages of this again is that it's quite a low monetary barrier to entry. All you have to do is inquire with the market organizer if there's space, how do you get in, how do you book a stall for yourself. And the advantages, however, is that you get to speak to customers and you get to have a direct feedback from them. And even better, they can probably go to your website and see your new collections and all the products, and they can start following you on social media, and you can bring them into your ecosystem, and that would generate more sales for you in the future. So street sales is a really, again, easy to execute way to bring cash into your business and generate more sales. Idea number 3, which is a great idea and so easy to execute, so easy for everyone and anyone, no matter where you are in the world, no matter what product you have to do it, is social selling. What does that mean? We all know that we can sell products on Instagram and Facebook, but I don't mean just tagging it in a picture and linking it to your website. What I actually mean is going on camera, just like I am to you, but going on camera and talking about your product. This can be on IGTV, it can be on stories, it can be Facebook Live. You can spontaneously do it, or you can make it into a weekly event. You can send invitations, reminders, set it up as an event. But all you have to do is then show up on camera and talk about your product, talk about your brand, show how the product looks on you, if it's a jewelry, if it's an accessory, if it is a beauty product, you can just use words to describe and build a picture of what it feels like to put the product on you. If it's clothes, you can show up how they look, how to coordinate it with other garments, how to accessorize it, how to wear it. There's so much that you can talk that is not necessarily sell, but by getting the customer involved and connected to your brand, you are drawing them again into your world, and they will surely, if they're the right fit and the right type of customer, end up buying from you. What you can do also is you can have special promotions. For the week, you can focus on 1 week, for instance, selling one type of product. Like, let's say if you're a jewelry designer, you can be just selling rings for this 1 week, and you can talk about how to care for the rings, how to stack them, how to wear them, how they were made, where you made them, what inspired you, how to care for them, etc. The next week, you can focus on a different category. And for every week and every category focus, you can be offering a special promotion code just to encourage, and bring a little bit of sense of urgency to your customers. You can also, with certain occasions like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, etc., you can use those occasions to also show people ideas, give them ideas. Everyone struggles to buy, presents for their loved ones. We live at a time when nobody needs anything. We simply have the means to buy for ourselves everything that we need. So giving presents sometimes is just such a arduous task. So why not make it easier for your customers? Show them through talking to them what they can gift a loved one. Show them how it's packaged, give them a special code, why they should buy from you. Just create a story and opportunity for them to come into your world and become loyal customers. The fourth idea takes a little bit more time organizing, but it's a great idea to grow your brand and the awareness of your brand, your reach, and to generate sales. And the fourth idea, basically, it's trunk shows. You can approach independent boutiques locally to you or somewhere else, and you can propose to them that you organize jointly a trunk show. Now, a trunk show is a selling event in a boutique that can take 1 day, or it can take just a few hours during the day or in the evenings. You can, pair it with some nibbles and drinks occasion. And this boutique, the boutique who you speak to and who organizes it and hosts it for you, will invite their current customers, and perhaps you would invite customers of yours to their environment and to their boutique. But it's a selling 1 day typically event when customers come and are exposed and shown to your product, to your brand, and they also get to meet you. And let's face it, everyone wants to meet the designer behind the brand, especially if it's a brand they know about, they buy from, and they love wearing. So everyone would love to meet the designer and speak to them and find out more about the brand, about the clothes, or accessories or jewelry, whatever it is. So organizing a trunk show like this takes a little bit more time. It takes certain communication and brand alignment between the boutique and your brand, but it's really a win-win proposition for both sides, for the brand and the boutique, because you get to be exposed to a whole new clientele of customers who, even if the boutique doesn't stock you ongoing, they can come to your online shop and they can repeatedly buy from you. But the boutique also gets to bring customers into their environment just by the opportunity of showing them a new brand, of organizing an event. And these customers would then most likely buy something else from the boutique, or they would be excited to come, be reminded that this boutique exists, what other brands and products they stock, and basically reinvigorates the relationship between the boutique and its customers. So it's a great opportunity for both of you to see, first of all, the design and the boutique, if there's a good fit for you to continue working together, for the boutique to stock your brand. And also it's a great opportunity for both of you to acquire new customers, to reinvigorate a relationship with existing customers. And make some sales, generate some more sales for the boutique and for the brand involved. And the fifth and final idea, which is a little bit new and out there and not many brands take the opportunity to do, is to sell your products at a shopping cart within a shopping mall. It takes a little bit of time perhaps to organize. You would have to contact the shopping mall organizers and find out the details of how to hire one of those carts. But the benefits are great. It's a movable cart. It is, it has a lot of passing traffic from customers going shopping, and you get to, again, make money on the day, meet a lot of new customers that you can market to, connect to, etc. And they would then later on come and check out your website, repeatedly buy potentially from your website. And it's just a really great way to connect to new customers, grow your reach and brand awareness just by hiring a cart and positioning yourself in a big, natural, organic flow of traffic for your brand. So for more ideas, these are just 5, but for more ideas, we have a masterclass hosted in our online shop that you can purchase and get 17 more ideas how to make sales for your brand. And you can discover so many more ways in which you can generate more sales, vital sales for the growth of your brand, as well as organically, while you're making those sales, grow your brand awareness and reach. There's a link below of the masterclass I've just mentioned that is available to purchase independently. And contact us if you want more ideas, if you want to share some ideas or experiences, leave us a comment below and let us know what worked or didn't work for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your comments and feedback, and we'll see you in the next video.